Hey there, I'm Josh with Reliable Heating and Air, president and owner. See, we're local right here in Knightdale, North Carolina. And my message to you, really a question is, when was the last time that you had your air conditioning system for your home maintained? Was it last summer? Was it last spring? Did you know that when the outdoor coil of your air conditioning system gets plugged up with grass clippings, pollen, dust from the air, you can expect a 30% reduction in performance and capacity, as well as a massive reduction in your comfort just by neglecting to have your air conditioning system tuned up. And that's just the outdoor coil. What if I can then tell you that your evaporator coil that is located inside your home where the air passes through has been collecting moisture and has other kind of bacterias that have built up on that coil. And so when moisture is activated through the air conditioning process, you can expect a musty smell if your air conditioning system and your coils have not been chemically cleaned.